Welcome to the 2022 award ceremony for the Power of the Pen online St. Raphael District Tournament, which took place on February 5th, 2022. I'm Cheryl Yates-Bledsoe, Power of the Pen Regional Director for the Northern Region. I will announce individual awards, Best of Round, Director's Choice, and Team Awards in today's ceremony. We also thank the coaches and judges who made the tournament possible. Writers, we are proud of you for being a part of Power of the Pen. You met with your team and practiced for many weeks to prepare for the competition. You are truly dedicated to becoming the best writer you can be. Thank you, parents and families, for supporting these young authors. Our 7th grade winners are, in 11th place, Manya, Birchwood School of Hawken. In 9th place for 7th grade, we have Joshua Gordon, Birchwood School of Hawken. And our gold medal winner for 7th grade is Ayat Jafar, Birchwood School of Hawken. Our 8th grade winners, our 3rd place bronze medal winner, Isabella Bixler, Birchwood School of Hawken. And our gold medal winner for 8th grade, Areesha Newman, Birchwood School of Hawken. The number 1 pieces from each round were reviewed by committee to select the highest quality individual writing in each round to receive the Best of Round awards. Best of Round winners also qualify for the regional tournament. 7th grade round 2 Best of Round winner, The Unforgettable Recipe by Ayat Jafar from Birchwood School of Hawken, coaches Lorraine Zhang and Mason Hader. Our 8th grade round 2 Best of Round, Box Memories by Isabella Bixler of Birchwood School of Hawken, coached by Lorraine Zhang and Jennifer Seward. And a familiar name again. Our 8th grade Best of Round for round 3 was Babysitter by Isabel Bixler, Birchwood School of Hawken, coaches Lorraine Zhang and Jennifer Seward. Director's Choice Awards are given to writing that, while not selected for Best of Round, deserve special recognition. These writers also qualify for regional. Our Director's Choice was from 8th grade, round 1, written by Areesha Newman, It's About Hope. Areesha is from Birchwood School of Hawken, coached by Lorraine Zhang and Jennifer Seward. Next up are the Team Awards. Overall awards are given to schools for 1st, 2nd, and 3rd place. Each team will receive a plaque to display in the school. And our winning 7th grade team, Birchwood School of Hawken, coaches Lorraine Zinn and Mason Hader. And our 1st place winner, Birchwood School of Hawken, coached by Jennifer Seward. Thank you again for being a part of Power of the Pen. Congratulations to all who wrote in the tournament.